YouTube, it's Autumn Beckman. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Exciting video. I love unboxings, don't you? I have this little guy here. I've been waiting on this. It was supposed to arrive on Tuesday. Today I'm filming on Friday. It got delayed on Tuesday. I don't know why, some shipping delay, and it couldn't come Wednesday because that was July 4th, so it came on Thursday. And it came while I was leaving for Galveston for the trip with my mom and sister, and I actually saw the FedEx guy come up, and as we were leaving the parking lot, I got the notification that it had arrived, but I didn't get the code to get into the room where our packages are kept at our building, and I would have had to call the customer service and all this stuff, so I didn't have time to take care of it. We had to get to Galveston, and then even if I had had it then, I couldn't have filmed the unboxing, and I wanted to unbox it with you so that you can see how it comes. So this is a piece, let me start opening this while I'm talking to you. This piece, first of all, I got it from The RealReal, which is the site that I use the most to purchase my Preloved luxury items. This is how this item is packed. It is a Louis Vuitton item, as you can tell from the title. So it comes with this little card here with information and my receipt inside, which is printed on a 8.5 by 11 sheet of typing paper, but I won't show you because it tells you what the item is and has some personal information. So here's this fold-out card. There's that information. You can consign with them. So this has bubble wrap. They have their own dust bags. I hate their dust bags. They're really cheap, as you'll see, and if I pick this up right now, you're gonna see what it is, but that's okay. I'll show it to you anyway. They're cheap, flimsy, like terrible dust bags, and I just put these straight in the trash so you can see right through that. So my item did not come with the original box or the original dust bag. This item is nearly impossible to find at Vuitton. I'm not sure what years this was sold. I already have one of these, but I didn't have it in this color, and this color, this canvas pattern, is what is so difficult to find. I've only seen these, I think I've been looking for this about a year. I've only seen it come up maybe twice before this one, and both of those had flaws. So this one, as far as I could tell, doesn't have any. We will see together. Can you tell what it is? Some of you know immediately, but some of you don't know yet, so here it is. It is the Louis Vuitton sunglasses case in Damier Azure. Here she is. Now the big flaws on this are right here and right here. Anytime there's a Vuitton canvas piece with glazing and there's a point at which you bend something, the glazing is very likely to start coming undone, start peeling. So let me put on my little folding, let me put on my little folding glasses that I got on Amazon. I'll link these below too in case anybody's interested. I push these glasses all the time. I just think they're so cool. All right, let's look at this together. I'm touching the glazing to see if I can feel any rough parts, and I'm looking at it. There are two sizes of the sunglasses case. There's this one that I have, and there's also a smaller one. This is the MM size, and there's also a PM size that is smaller, and the PM, I believe, only comes in monogram. I'm going to show you before I go over that completely. These are my two cases, so you can see that those are the same size. There you go. And forget where I got this one. I may have gotten it from The RealReal too. I think I probably did. But these things, if you see one, if you're interested in this piece, you see one and it looks to be in good condition and the price is good. I paid, I think, $245 for this, which is a good price for it. I don't know what they were in the store. If somebody knows that, please let me know below what the original retail price was. But when I bought this one sometime last year, I think, and I forget what I paid for that. But I love it so much. I've talked about that before, that I wanted to get a second one because I wanted one for my reading glasses, my full-size reading glasses, and then I also wanted one for my sunglasses. So now I have them. And I thought about just getting 2 of these or getting this and the PM, which would probably, the PM would probably work for my reading glasses, but I'm not really sure. I don't know the exact size of the PM, but I'm gonna guess it's something like that much smaller, maybe. Does that make sense? Like down in this space here, but I don't know exactly, don't quote me on that. This looks to be in fantastic condition. I don't see any glazing issues. Yay. I was gonna return it immediately if they were glazing issues. I'll do a review on it another time, but oh, there's something inside. What is this? Oh, it has the little, it's interesting, the VUITTON textile card. It's a little bent and folded, but that was in there. Anything else in there? Something, it looks like. Yep, there's something else in there. What is this? Oh, the little real tag. So there was no place for them to put that, so they just put that inside of the item, just dropped it down in there. So the inside looks like this. You can see the Louis Vuitton stamp there. It says made in France. And then the date code is gonna be hard to see. The date code you can see stamped right in there on the kind of microfiber lining. Wonderful. I have these glasses handy, so I'll show you what that looks like with glasses in there. That pair fits great. It could hold larger glasses too, and then that just snaps into place. The snap looks great. There's no discoloration. I don't even see scratches on it. It's like this thing is brand new. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, I'll be keeping that. Very happy with it. I'll do a review of these or more in-depth descriptions of them at some point in the near future here, because I know this is a hot item, especially this one. So yeah, that looks great. Very happy with it. As far as I know, it only ever came in these 2 canvases and not in the Damier Azure. Not sure why that was, but I've only ever seen these 2. You can tell the difference between the larger and smaller one if you don't have measurements, because the LVs are like it's cut off. They're closer to the edges. Does that make sense? There's not as much around the 2 LVs on the smaller one because it's smaller. I would really encourage you to check out the Real because they are my favorite. There's some green thing in here. What is this? Oh, it's tape. Some green like masking tape. And that was my item. Hope you like it. Hope you can find one if you want one. They're hard to find though. You've got to really look around, look at the Real, like look every day. If there's something hard to find that you're looking for, you have to look every day. You have to look on as many sites as possible. I have all my favorite Preloved sites listed below. My top 2 are the Real and Fashionphile, but there are definitely other sites that I use too, and just check those out in my description box. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to click the like button, the subscribe button if you haven't done that already, and click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.